everyone. Today we learn about body parts. Let's start.
Wow! Face. This is a face. Eyes. These are eyes. Nose. This is a nose. Mouth. This is a mouth. Lips. These are lips. Teeth. These are teeth. Tongue. This is a tongue. Chin. This is a chin. Head. This is a head. Eyebrow. This is an eyebrow. Ear. This is an ear. Neck. This is a neck. Shoulder. This is a shoulder. Hair. This is hair. Arm. This is an arm. Elbow. This is an elbow. Hand. This is a hand. Finger. This is a finger. Nail. This is a nail. Legs. These are legs. Thigh. This is a thigh. Knee. This is a knee. Foot. This is a foot. Stomach. This is a stomach. Toe. This is a toe. Now let's see one by one.
Hair. Head. Eyebrow. Eye. Ear. Nose. Mouth. Teeth. Neck. Shoulder. Hand. Finger. Stomach. Thigh. Knee. Leg. Foot. Toe.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.